Please allow me to address our president. First, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and also Her Excellency Lordina Mahama, and refer to the clergy, our chiefs and elders, our party hierarchy, everybody who is here. This is a moment of joy and of sober reflection. I want to thank the choir that just left because they sang one of my favorite songs. All that we have needed, His hands have provided. What we need to do now is to step forward and behave like people of God. I believe such must have been the time that urged the psalmist and the hymnist to say, "Oh, magnify the Lord with me. With me exalt His name. When in distress to Him I called, and He to my rescue came." So much God has done for us. Sometimes it's because we want something that is not done our way. We even forget everything. So much has happened since the campaign and before and after. He has not abandoned us. He's not about to let us flounder in the desert. And I want to thank the speakers who've come before us, the words of assurance. And after hearing such powerful speakers and singing Captain of Israel's host and guide, I don't want to speak for a long time. Mine is a message of thanksgiving. When we embarked on all of this, especially the 3 teams going on the campaign, my wish was, if it's your wish, God, please take us there and bring us back safely. The Lord did just that. So after all these blessings, yes, He set us on our path. We have no doubt that He will pave the way for us. And as I think Bishop Duncan Williams said, He paves the way for us for a purpose. And what is the purpose? The purpose is to allow His will to show in the way we do things that affect other people positively. God's love is for all of us. How can our love and generosity be for a few? We pray that He walks with us. And that brings me to a Methodist saying, "Oh, Master, let me walk with you." Once He walks with us, we will not flounder, we will not fail. I want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank those who are not able to be here, especially our grassroots people. The sacrifices they made during the campaign. Sometimes a mile or 2 even before you get to your destination, they're already there welcoming you. And it's so touching. And you pray to God that these remain the center of our focus. Thank you. Thank you all again. And may God bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Now, please, let's welcome the President of the
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.